Guys, let's go to activity 2 or activity 1.1. Directions: classify the following cleaners. Write DC for detergent, SC for solvent cleaner, AC for acid cleaners, and ABC for abrasive cleaners on the space provided. Meron tayong 10 dyan. Susulat nyo lang dyan kung siya ay DC, detergent, SC, solvent cleaner, AC, acid cleaner, or ABC for abrasive cleaners. So makikita nyo may mga number dyan, meron siyang line, doon nyo isusulat ang inyong mga sagot. Sa activity 1.2 naman guys, read the following statements and write a check mark if the statement is correct and X if the statement is wrong. Write your answer on a sheet of paper. Pero palagi ko pwede natin isulat dito kasi maliit lang naman to, no? Hindi naman ito yung pagka may mali, may naka-underline, sasabihin mo kung tama o mali yun. So all you have to do here is to check and to write X. So number 1, ang lalaki nga ng mga lines, di ba? So number 1, ano ba yan? A spoon should be washed thoroughly with dishwashing soap. Is it check or is it X? And then tatapusin nilang yan hanggang number 10. Now how about activity 1.3? Activity 1.3 is basically remembering all the things that we have discussed today. Okay, ito yung mga words na kailangan bigyan nyo ng importansya. So, words for the day tayo. Cleaning, the process of removing food and other types of soil or dirt from a surface such as a plate, glass, and other utensils. Number 2. Cleaning agents refers to the chemicals that are used to clean and remove food, soil, and other substances. Number 3, contaminated, foods that can be poisonous kasi nalagyan na siya ng mga microorganisms. Disinfectants, a chemical that can destroy bacteria. Number 5 is filth. Basta isang bagay marumi, ang tawag dyan filth. Napaka-filthy naman ng ano nyo, ng kwarto mo. Ibig sabihin, dumi ng kwarto mo, di ba? Mas masakit kung sabihin, if you're too filthy, ang dumi mo naman, di ba? So, ano ka, taong grasa, hindi ka na naliligo. So, kailangan ang filth, tinatanggal natin sa buhay natin yan. Then, kitchen, a room specially set apart inside the house where food is prepared. Okay? Dalawang kitchen, guys. Pero sa atin, sa Filipino, sanay na tayo ng isa. Meron tinatawag tayong clean kitchen at may tinatawag tayong dirty kitchen. Ano yung clean kitchen, guys? Ang clean kitchen, ito yung mga, ang ginagawa natin dito ay yung basic na pagluluto. The dirty kitchen, ito yung kitchen natin na ginagawa natin, usually nasa labas ng inyong pamamahay. Paglalaba, diba? Doon kayo nagtatapon ng mga basura. That's the dirty kitchen. And then, sanitizing is the process of disinfecting kitchen tools, equipments, and paraphernalia. I already explained that. And sanitizer are those chemicals or items which are in the form of liquid, foam, generally used to decrease infectious bacteria, decrease infectious bacteria or viruses. Now, checking your understanding, here are the critical questions. After the video, I will repeat all the activities para mas maintindihan nyo, para kung may mga questions kayo. Critical thinking questions. Number 1, pretend that you're washing dishes in your kitchen right now. Write down how you're going to apply the cleaning and sanitizing we discussed. So, kunyari kayo ang maghuhugas ng mga plato, ng mga ginamit sa pagluluto at saka sa pagkain. So, paano nyo i-apply ba ang mga liquid, sinabi sa inyo, yung cleaners at sanitizers natin. Number 2, why is it important to learn the different cleaning chemicals and sanitizers? So, bakit daw importante na alam nyo kung ano ang gamit at ano ang mga iba't ibang uri ng cleaning chemicals and sanitizers. Now, post-test guys, alam nyo na ito. Nakakatatlong linggo na tayo, so you're going to answer the post-test here. Dito na lang, although nakasulat dito, write your answer on a separate sheet of paper, pwede na dito. Ilalagay nyo yan bago dun sa number. So, all you have to do is to answer 1 to 10. And then reflections. How can this lesson help you and your family in your daily life? Paano makakatulong ang lecture na ito, ang napag-aralan nyo na ito sa inyong araw-araw na pamumuhay. Number 2, why is it important for you to know the different chemical agents in maintaining tools, equipments, and paraphernalia? Bakit importante na malaman mo at iba't ibang uring chemical agents na in maintaining tools, equipments, and paraphernalia? At number 3, in your own words, sa sarili nyong sagot sarili nyong salita, write down the precautionary measures that you need to do while using chemical agents in maintaining tools, equipments, and paraphernalia. Ano yung mga safety measures na dapat nyong gawin sa paggamit ng mga chemical agents natin? And dyan natatapos ang ating mga lectures for week 3, and hopefully mamaya after the video, didiscuss ulit tayo, no? So, bibigay ko sa inyo kung ano ang mga dapat nyo gawin para mas maintindihan nyo. So, good day guys, and be safe. Next naman guys is chemicals. They differ in effectiveness, and while using one must consider its concentration. The strength, when you say concentration, it is the strength of the chemical. Gaano bang katapang to? Too much using of this can be toxic. Pwede tayong magkasakit yan kasi lason. Now, temperature is the hotness or coldness of such sanitizers to be used. Sanitizers work best in water temperature between 55 degrees Fahrenheit and 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Lastly, the contact time. This refers to recommended length time to apply such sanitizers. Okay, ulitin natin. Pag sinabing concentration, gaano ba ang chemical natin, nagdidepende yan. Number 1, gaano bang kapuro yan, gaano kalakas. Okay? Pangalawa, at saan bang temperature mas epektibo yung ating mga chemicals. At pangatlo, gaano katagal ba dapat i-apply ang mga chemicals na yan? Okay? So, yung sanitizers na binigay sa inyo, dapat ba ganong katagal? 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 5 minutes? Okay? Lahat po yan ay nakasulat yan dun sa cover ng inyong mga ginagamit na chemicals. Nakasulat lahat yan dun kung ganong kalakas siya, ano ang tamang temperature niya, at ganong katagal dapat gamitin. Okay, in general, the manufacturer's instructions should be followed in and around the kitchen area. Number 1, always read the labels of cleaning chemicals and sanitizers and follow the instructions. Pinaka-importante guys, basahin natin ang nakasulat kasi minsan hindi natin binabasa yan. Okay? Pangalawa, all cleaning materials and chemicals must be kept in a safe and dry place away from foods to avoid contamination. Lahat ng mga paninis natin dapat malayo sa ating mga pagkain. Number 3, never use food containers for cleaning chemical containers to avoid poison. Okay, kung isasali natin yung mga panlinis natin, dapat hindi sa lalagyan ng mga pagkain nyo. Okay, kasi baka mamaya hindi malinis yun, pwedeng malason ang gagamit nun. Number 4, cleaning equipment must be checked regularly and must be kept for easy access. Kailangan madali nyo makuha at lagi nyo chinecheck kung ubos na yan o meron pa or baka mamaya natapo na, diba? Hindi nyo pa alam. Number 5, do not use towels to dry items. It is much better to use dry air. So, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, kanina, merong mga tao na tinatawel nila yan, pinupunasan nila yan. So, kung pwede nyong intayin na matuyo na lang yan sa dry air, so mas maganda. Okay. And then, do not store kitchen equipments in cupboards or drawers, for it will not accumulate dust or dirt. Lahat ng kitchen equipments dapat tinatago natin yan sa ating mga drawers o sa mga cabinets natin para hindi siya madumihan. And more importantly, is clay go or clean as you go must be practiced inside the kitchen to promote and maintain cleanliness. So, pag tapos mo kumain, dapat naglilinis ka na. Pero tayo, kasi sanay tayo na naglilinis tayo, iisa lang ang tagahugas ng plato. So, malas-malas ka pag ikaw ang natoka dito. Next topic guys, proper cleaning and sanitizing must be done to make sure that all utensils are free from bacteria and viruses. Here are the methods of sanitizing that should be done. First one, heat, iniinitan. This can be done in 3 ways: steam, hot water, and hot air. Through this method, the temperature is an important factor. So, sa tingin nyo ba, mas mainit, mas maganda? Kung sinagot nyo, opo, tama kayo. The most common method used in restaurants is basically hot water. Ito yung ibinababad nila, yung mga kutsara at tinidor, minsan pato, binababad nila yung sa mainit na tubig bago pinapagamit sa inyo. Siyempre, pinupunasan nila yan. Chemicals, ang pangalawa, ano ba yung mga approved chemical sanitizers? Number 1, chlorine. It is considered as the most effective on a wide variety of bacteria, highly effective and generally cheap. Ayan, mas maraming gumagamit ito kasi mura siya. May problema lang. Mura nga pero irritating sa skin natin ito. At in a sense, pwede siyang makaproduce ng rust o kalawang sa inyong mga utensils. Next is iodine. The form's colors in brown, indicating its strength and less irritating to the skin. Ito, hindi masyado siyang mahapde sa kamay. At nag-iiba ito, pero depende rin sa lalakas. Habang nagiging mas matingkad na brown yan, mas mabigat na brown, mas malakas yan, mas puro yan. And then, letter C is quaternary ammonium is a non-toxic chemical, or odorless, non-corrosive, non-irritating, stable to heat, and relatively stable in the presence of organic matter. Because of its characteristics, this tends to be slow in the destruction of certain microorganisms. Guys, ang mga hindi matanggal, mga hindi matanggal ng mga solvent cleaners, okay, ito ang gagamitin natin. Okay? Then, abrasive cleaners. Ito yung, these are basically cleaners which are used to remove heavy accumulation of soil that are difficult to remove with detergents. Some abrasive cleaners also disinfect. Pero most of the time, abrasive cleaners, guys, ito ay ginagamit natin pang kuskus. Okay? Ito yung minsan nakikita nyo na sponge na merong kalahati, medyo dilaw, tapos kalahati green. Okay? Mas rough yung green. Paano ba gamitin yon? Yung green ba, dekorasyon? Mali. Yung green muna ipamumunas nyo bago nyo pupunasan nung dilaw o kung anumang kulay yung nado sa hati niya. And pagka talaga hindi na matanggal, gagamit na tayo ng bakal na abrasive cleaner. Okay? Yung pang is-is ika nga sa Tagalog. Cleaning and sanitizing utensils are very important, and there are 3 steps needed to effectively clean and sanitize utensils: washing, cleaning, and drying. Ang tatlong steps na yan. So, cleaning will start with washing and it should be done with clean and warm water with foamy soap. Then next is sanitize to reduce organisms. And lastly, napaka-importante na tutuyuin natin ito. Minsan, akala natin okay na hindi tuyo. Pagka medyo basa-basa pa, gagamitin na agad natin. Tandaan nyo, hindi pa masyadong umiipekto yung mga nilagay natin doon, yung mga pinanlinis natin. Kaya kailangan tuyuin natin. Kaya yung ibang ginagamit, guys, ang ginagawa, guys, pinupunasan muna nila yung mga plato nila. Okay? Now, class, let us go to our topic, cleaning and sanitation. The kitchen is the most delicate part of the house and should be observed as clean as always. Dapat laging malinis, di ba? Diyan tayo kasi nagluluto ng pagkain, diyan tayo nagpe-prepare ng mga dishes natin. Pati mga plato natin, mga dapat hugasan, diyan din natin hinuhugasan. Yung mga naluto na, bago yan is serve sa mga inyong mga kasama sa bahay. Okay, sa dining area nyo. Okay, first, cleaning is the process of removing food and other types of soil or dirt from a surface such as plates, glass, and other utensils. And sanitizing is the procedure done to reduce harmful organisms in our tools, equipments, and paraphernalia to maintain the safety level. Okay, ano bang cleaning sa Tagalog? Ito yung pagtanggal natin ng mga dumi na dala ng ating mga pagkain o yung mga kinainan natin o yung mga pinaglutuan. So, lilinisin natin yan sa iba't ibang mga surface yan. And sanitizing naman, guys, ito yung pagkatapos nyo maglinis, isa-sanitize nyo para hindi kapitan ng mga iba't ibang microorganisms. Okay? Yung mga harmful, syempre. Now, here are the 4 categories of cleaning agents, guys. Ginagamit nating panglinis ay cleaning agents. Number 1, detergents. Use detergents to routinely wash tableware, surfaces, and equipments. So, ang detergents ginagamit natin para sa araw-araw na paglilinis ng ating mga ginagamit sa pagkain at ginagamit sa pagluluto. Solvent cleaner, used periodically on surfaces where grease has burned on. Solvent cleaners are often called degreasers. Ano ba ito, guys? Ito, guys, yung mga nilalagay natin, ginagamit natin para kapag ang mga kinainan natin ay merong matapang na grasa o langis na yung ginamit natin na cooking oil. Ito ang ginagamit natin kasi minsan hindi basta-basta matatanggal ng detergents yan. Acid cleaners, used periodically on mineral deposits and other soils that detergents cannot remove. These cleaners are often used to remove scale in wares, washing machines, and steam tables. Okay, guys, let's now go to week 3 of our cookery module. For the performance standards, the learners will independently use and maintain tools, equipments, and materials in cookery according to standard operating procedures. The content standards. So at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to, number 1, classify and select various types of chemicals for cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools, equipments, and paraphernalia. And number 2, clean and sanitize kitchen tools and equipments following manufacturer's instructions. Use cleaning tools, equipments, and paraphernalia in accordance to standard operating procedures in maintaining kitchen tools, equipments, and the work area.